and welcome to the lecture of C. In this section, we will continue with looping structure. What is loop? Loop is used to print, to process something which we want repeatedly. There are three types of loops. In this lecture, we will see while loop first. Here we wish to print hello 5 times. To print hello 5 times, we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 likewise. For that we need a counter variable, and here we are taking integer I for counting. Counter always starts with 1, so I equals to 1, then while. In while we have to give condition, means where we wish to stop this loop. For that we have to write I less than 6, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Whenever the value of I will be 6, the loop must be break. The loop must be stop. Here, after 1, the counter must be 2. After 2, the counter must be 3. For this type of increment, we can write I plus plus. This I plus plus is equals to I equals to I plus 1. Both are same. So this is the basic requirements for while loop. First of all, this is initialization, then condition, and here we can write increment or decrement into the counter variable as per the requirement. While loop is known as entry controlled loop because it will check condition first, and if the condition is true, then only the block of the statements will be run, otherwise not. Here we are typing printf /n and hello. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Here the output is 5 times hello. Instead of hello, if we wish to print value of counter variable, then we can set %d and I into the printf. Again Ctrl F9. So here we have a sequential series from 1 to 5. So this is about while loop. Thank you.